How to change default phone app on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, tap on Default Apps at the very top. Here, you can manage default apps for various functions like email, messaging, and web browsing. Tap on the calling option to change your preferred calling application. On this page, you will see a list of installed apps that can handle calls, such as FaceTime, Phone, and WhatsApp. Simply tap on the app you wish to set as the default, for example, WhatsApp. A checkmark will appear next to your selection, confirming it as the new default calling app. Following these steps, you can easily change the default phone app on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.